Hello there, my name is Pranav Harkare, and my teammate is Nishant Ray, and our website is called MaskShare. With the coronavirus outbreak, masks are in high demand and there is a shortage of masks. This is an important problem as masks are essential in keeping people safe from getting the virus. To solve this problem, we made MaskShare, which is a website that helps users donate masks, request mask donations, find hospitals to donate to, view detailed information about how to make masks, and monitor real-time data on the coronavirus outbreak around the world.
When users arrive at the MaskShare website, they are prompted to either log in or join. Users can log in or create an account. We use secure login authentication, which encrypts users' data. Once users log in, they can donate to someone or a hospital, look for local hospitals, or even request a donation for themselves. Users can choose to see a list of donation requests. These donation requests can be made by either civilians, essential workers, or even hospital or clinic representatives. Users would specify what type of masks they need. Here, users can create a donation request for themselves, where they specify this information. Additionally, users can choose to opt in to put their email or phone number so that other users or hospital workers can contact them if necessary. Now you can see that the user can see that the request they just made has been posted. Users can also choose to find local hospitals. We find the 20 nearest hospitals to the user's location and list them out. We list out the address, phone number, website, rating, and their open hours so users can donate as necessary. MaskShare also offers up-to-date mask info. We provide a mask buying guide, tutorials on how to make your own masks, and reliable and up-to-date information from the CDC and World Health Organization. Additionally, MaskShare offers up-to-date virus information about the coronavirus outbreak. Using Google Maps APIs in a real-time COVID-19 database, we were able to create a map that displays the number of cases and the number of deaths per county in the United States. This map updates approximately every day. Furthermore, we supplied more information to the user so they can learn more about the coronavirus. We used official resources such as the World Health Organization and the CDC to supply this information. Thank you for watching.